Did you know that Nnewi in Anambra State has the most billionaires in Nigeria? That's right. If you've ever wondered why Anambra State seems to be the capital of billionaires and why Igbo billionaires are making names all over the world, then you're in the right place. But before we continue, let me ask you, do you really agree that Anambra State has the highest concentration of billionaires in Nigeria? And do you think the Igbo hustle spirit is the reason behind it? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I would love to hear your take. Let's start with the facts. Anambra State is home to some of the most powerful and wealthiest people in Nigeria, in as much as they never make the Forbes list. We are talking about cities like Nnewi, Onitsha, Awka, Ihiala, Ekulobia, and Ebenebe, where wealth is not just concentrated but celebrated. Nnewi, for instance, is often called the Japan of Africa because of its incredible entrepreneurial culture. Families there are known to build empires from scratch, expanding into manufacturing, automobile parts, and trade. In fact, it's said that in Nnewi, almost every household has a millionaire and many have billionaires. Now, here's the kicker. According to Forbes reports and multiple research pieces, Nnewi has produced the highest number of Naira billionaires in Nigeria, beating out Lagos, Abuja, and even Port Harcourt. Think about that for a second. Lagos might have the skyscrapers, but when it comes to raw wealth built from hustle, Anambra State tops the chart. So, why is this happening? Why are the Igbos, especially those from Anambra State, leading in wealth creation? The answer lies in what many call the Igbo hustle spirit. Igbos are known for their resilience, their ability to start small and grow big. You've probably heard the phrase, "Leave no brother behind." This is not just a saying, it's a way of life. The Igbo apprenticeship system, where young men are trained under established businessmen and later given capital to start their own businesses, has created a circle of wealth transfer and empowerment. This system has been described by global economists as the largest venture capital system in the world, and it works. When you combine this apprenticeship model with the relentless drive to succeed, you get billionaires who can compete on a global stage. Now, it's not just in Nigeria where this wealth is evident. South Africa has also felt the presence of wealthy Nigerians, and so many other countries, especially the Igbos. Recently, a South African man spoke openly about how wealthy Nigerians in Cape Town are dominating the property market.
Guys, I don't know what it is, bro, but there's so many Nigerian O's in South Africa, in Cape Town, with so much money, bro. Like, I'm actually, like, genuine talk, I'm like, what the frick? Like, every single, like, car recently that I've been driving past, I've driven past a Ferrari, I drove past a freaking huge, lots of G-Wagons. And I was like, what the frick is going on here? Like, these O's are balling, they're living their freaking best life. Like, what do these O's do, bro? Like, what do these O's do? Are they in real estate? Are they in finance? What do they do, bro?
Did you know that Nigerians are the biggest foreign African property owners in South Africa as we speak? That's massive. And guess what? A lot of these Nigerians are Igbos. They are not just buying small houses. We are talking about mansions, luxury apartments, and estates. This shows that the Igbo hustle is not just limited to Nigerian borders. It extends everywhere, from Africa to Europe, Asia, and America. Wherever you go, you find an Igbo man making moves, building wealth, and setting up businesses. Let's put some faces to this fact. Anambra has produced billionaires whose names ring across Nigeria and Africa. People like Cletus Ibeto, founder of the Ibeto Group with massive interests in cement, oil and gas, and manufacturing. Then there is Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma, founder of Innocent Motors, Nigeria's first indigenous car manufacturer. There is Obi Kubana, Cosmos Maduka, Arthur Eze, and so many others. And the list does not stop there. Nnewi and Onitsha alone have produced so many billionaires that people joke the air you breathe in those towns must be laced with money. So let me ask you, which Igbo billionaire inspires you the most? Is it Innocent with the cars, Arthur Eze with his oil empire, or Ibeto with his massive industrial investment? Let me know in the comments. Breaking this down, what makes the Igbo model of wealth creation so unique? One is the apprenticeship system. Young people are trained for years and then empowered to start their own businesses. There is the risk taking. Igbos are not afraid to take risks, whether in trade, manufacturing, or real estate. Many Igbo billionaires don't just stick to one sector. They expand into oil, transport, agriculture, tech, and many more. Whether in Lagos, Johannesburg, London, or New York, Igbos adapt quickly and build wealth. This blueprint has created not just millionaires, but generational wealth that keeps multiplying. It's not just Igbos alone. Nigerians generally are making their mark on the global billionaire stage. From Aliko Dangote in cement to Mike Adenuga in telecoms and oil, Nigeria has billionaires whose wealth rivals some of the richest people in the world. But when you zoom into the Nigerian billionaire map, the Igbos consistently dominate. They may not always top Forbes lists, but in terms of widespread wealth among communities, no other ethnic group comes close. And this is why many people argue that Igbos might have the highest number of wealthy billionaires per capita in the world. Bold statement, right? But when you look at the numbers, it starts to make sense. So let's bring it back to you, the viewers. Do you agree that Igbos are the wealthiest group of people in Africa? Nigerians, especially the Igbos, are making names globally as the richest black entrepreneurs. I want to hear your opinions in the comment section. Don't hold back. Let's have the debate right here.